Welcome back. It's time for sports.
The Reggae Boyz are aiming to continue their perfect start when they face arch rivals Trinidad and Tobago in the second game of the final round of CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers at the National Stadium on Tuesday. In head-to-head World Cup clashes between the two, the Reggae Boyz hold the edge over TNT, winning 7 of the 17 matches played, with another 7 ending in draws. The Jamaicans got their campaign off to a flyer with a 4-0 hammering away to Bermuda, while Trinidad and Tobago were held to a 0-0 draw by Curaçao in Port of Spain.
I think winning your home games are always important. You know, I think Bermuda, you're absolutely right. Everybody expected us to win. A difficult game always, but we were professional, got the job done. Now it's a home game, so you've got to win your home games, which is probably why Trinidad will be disappointed they didn't. They deserved to win it, but they didn't. And we have to go tomorrow making, you know, like we did against Guatemala in the World Cup qualifiers to get into this group.
Meanwhile, Trinidad and Tobago head coach Dwight York believes his team will not be overawed by Jamaica's superior record.
We respect Jamaica, but we don't fear them. And I don't think that they're in a real healthy place themselves, despite the result today. They won't be really looking forward to be playing against us if we perform the way we can perform. Certainly when you take a look at the second half, I think they know that they're going to be in for a very, very tough game.
Kickoff is at 7 p.m. inside the National Stadium. Defending champions Cavaliers suffered their first loss of the Jamaica Premier League season after going down 1-0 to Waterhouse in the late game of a doubleheader at the Stadium East Field. Alexander Bittnell got the all-important goal in the 9th minute.
We knew what Cavalier was about. They always want to get the space in behind, and all week we work on protecting the space behind, keep them in front, and we knew we would get a goal, so we stayed behind the ball, and a wonderful goal from Alexander Bittnell, and I think it was a good win.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.